Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. I am Vidhika. I am law faculty here at iExamB. In this video we will discuss about the salary, the latest salary that you will get when you are selected as an IBPS SO assistant manager, specialist officer. And then we will discuss a little bit about the career prospects and the promotional avenues that are available for you in this job. इस तरीके की और इन्फॉर्मेशन जानने के लिए iExamB के चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Click on the bell icon for any query related to this exam, related to any exam, any online course. You can write to us at hello@iexamb.com and you can also contact us on the number mentioned on the screen. So as I have mentioned, we will discuss about the IBPS SO Assistant Manager, the latest salary and the career prospects available for you in this job. IBPS के कैलेंडर के हिसाब से स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफिसर का प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम दिसंबर में एक्सपेक्टेड है. यू कैन हैव योर प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम ऑन 18th and 26th of December and the मेंस एग्जाम on 30th of January. अगर अभी तक आप नोटिफिकेशन का वेट कर रहे हैं, हरी अप, स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन. Now what is the salary that this post offers you? Yes, the in-hand salary is about rupees 60,000 to 65,000. And how is this bifurcated? Your basic salary after 11th bipartite settlement is rupees 36,000 and you're then eligible for a dearness allowance which at present ranges between rupees 8,000 to rupees 10,000. You also get house rent allowance and lease rent, depending upon in which city you are located. So you will get an HRA if you are located in your home city, in the city where you own a house or your spouse owns a house or your parents live. And if you are living in a city on rent, then you will get the lease rent amount, which is about 7 to 9%. And it ranges between 8,000 to 24,000 depending upon in which city you are located. Then you get a special allowance which is about 16.4% of the basic pay. There is city compensatory allowance and learning allowance as well. In this slide you will see a salary slip, a latest salary slip of a recent joinee, the person who joined last year as a specialist officer. This is the salary slip for December 2020 and as I have already mentioned, the base salary is rupees 36,000. Then you get DA, then you get HRA, city compensatory allowance, special allowance, then DA's learning allowance and DA on learning allowance. There are certain deductions from your salary, that is the professional tax, the TDS and the contribution to the pension, that is NPS. So as per this salary slip, you get about rupees 50,000 in hand. Added to that, you get petrol, cleaning, newspaper and mobile bill reimbursement on a monthly basis. Then you have medical allowance on an annual basis, entertainment allowance on an annual basis. You also get bag purchase and mobile purchase allowance once in 3 years. And then there is leave fare concession, your LFC, that you can avail either in 4 years or in 2 years. So these are the various allowances that are present in this job. A very good opportunity for each one of you. Right after your graduation, after clearing this exam, you can get a handsome amount of salary in your hand. Now what is the career growth and promotional avenue in this job? So when you join as a specialist officer, you will join as a scale 1 assistant manager or officer. After that, this is the promotional avenue. You can become scale 2 manager, scale 3 senior manager, scale 4 chief manager, then assistant general manager, deputy general manager and at the end scale 7 general manager. If you want to know within how much time you can get promoted from scale 1 to scale 2, there are two types of promotion. Merit based, which is fast track, and a normal promotion. For merit or fast track promotion, you have to appear for an exam and an interview, and every fast track promotion is conducted after you have completed 3 years in a particular scale. So once you have completed 3 years as a scale 1 officer, you are eligible to appear for that exam. और फिर 3 साल के बाद आप स्केल 2 बन सकते हैं. इसी तरीके से आप स्केल 2 से स्केल 3 भी फास्ट ट्रैक बेसिस पे 3 साल में जा सकते हैं, स्केल 3 to scale 4 in 3 years and so on. So if you see, within a span of 18 years, you can be promoted from scale 1 to scale 7. That means अगर आप 21 या 22 साल की उम्र में बैंक ज्वाइन करते हैं, so you can get promoted to scale 7 at the age of 40. And if you see, you still have a lot of time before retirement in your hand, and you can excel and you can go way forward in your career. iExamB offers IBPS SO online course for various streams. We offer IBPS SO course for prelims. Then we have a complete comprehensive course for IT officer, for law officer, for AFO, and we have a separate AFO mains course as well. And many of these courses are exclusive online courses. That means you will get a regular guidance in these courses. There will be one-on-one sessions with the faculty. You can interact with the reasoning faculty, quant faculty, legal faculty for various doubts, for guidance at every step. There is performance monitoring at each and every step. You get exclusive mock tests, personalized study plans. Added to that, you get 10 comprehensive mock tests for prelims and 10 comprehensive mock tests for mains, and thus a lot of questions, a lot of practice. If you are interested in this course, you can visit us on our website. You can also call on the number which is mentioned on the screen. I'm mentioning again, do not forget to subscribe to iExamB channel. Thank you so much for being here.